In today's video, I'll show you how to set up an iClosed account. But before we build anything, let me quickly tell you why iClosed is different from the tools you might already be using. If you're using something like Calendly or Google Calendar right now, that tool is great for booking. But it lets anyone onto your calendar, qualified or not. iClosed is built specifically for high-ticket sales teams. It collects your leads information before it even shows them your available time slots. So instead of jumping on calls with people who can't afford your offer, iClosed automatically filters them out. Unqualified leads get blocked, qualified leads get booked. On top of that, it captures leads even when they abandon your booking form halfway through. It sends automated SMS and email reminders so your prospects actually show up. And it tracks every call, every closer, and every deal, all in one place. That's why thousands of high-ticket sales teams have already switched to iClosed. Now let's set yours up. We'll go through this in 3 simple phases: setting up your account, building your automated qualification guideline, and using iClosed to actually close high-ticket deals. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, if you want to follow along, I'll drop the link to iClosed right below this video. It is the exact same tool I am using right now, and it's the fastest way to double your book calls. Grab it now and let's build this together. Alright, so for step 1, head over to the link in the description, and once you're on the homepage, click on Start for Free. It's going to be asking you to either sign up with Google, Microsoft, or your own email address if you have one. Once you have that set up, click on Continue. It's going to be redirecting you into this trial page that they have. So here, you can choose your company name and fill in your payment method and card details. So nothing to worry, you won't be charged up until the free trial ends. The free trial lasts for 7 days. In my case, I will be charged on the 24th of May, and I can cancel anytime before it ends. Once you have this filled up, you can scroll down and click on Start Free Trial. You will now be welcomed into their onboarding page. Here, you can select your role, put in your phone number, and fill out a couple of details that is related to your iClosed account. So you just need to fill this up and make sure that the details that you're providing is accurate. When you're done, you can click on Connect Calendar, and it's either going to let you sync it to your Google Calendar or your Outlook calendar. In this video, I'll be connecting it to my Google Calendar. Click on Connect. It's going to launch a new window. Click on your Google account. Click on Continue. Now, usually, it's going to be asking you to click a couple of check boxes that they need access to. And once you're done, you can click on Continue. You'll know that it went through correctly if you can see the word Disconnect. Now, click on Next. Here, you can set your meeting availability. Define when prospects can book time with you, and you can always adjust this later if your schedule changes by the week. For me, this aligns perfectly with the time that I have, so I'm going to be clicking on Save and Continue. Here, it's going to be asking you to choose a unique username that will identify your company on the platform. Keep it short and simple and not too deviated from what your original company name is. Once you have chosen a name and decided, you can click on Confirm and go to iClosed. You'll be greeted by a couple of pop-ups, so you can just close that, close this, and this is where your dashboard is. First thing I need you to do is to set up your profile. Click on the Settings button at the bottom left and go to Profile. Under Personal Details, click on Edit. I need you to upload a profile picture and make sure to update your first name and last name as well. This matters for trust when high-ticket clients book into your calendar. Once you have filled that out, you can click on Save Changes. Now we're into step 3, which is building your pipeline. iClosed isn't a traditional manual CRM where you can just drag your cards around. It builds your pipeline automatically through data entry forms and events. Going back to the dashboard, click on AI Scheduler and click on Events. Here you can start to create your first event. Let's name it Strategy Call in this case. This is where we build our filter systems. Now click on the location, if it's via phone call, Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, whatever you want. I'll be clicking on Google Meet in this case, and you can put in a short description of what the call is about. And you can even adjust the event link if you want it to look different for every single person that you're inviting. Once you're done, you can click on Save and Continue, and then select the hosts of the event and organize their priority. Since I'm the only one in the company, I'll have to click myself, click on save and continue, and then click on invitee questions. This is the most important part. It lets iClosed filter your pipeline before anyone even gets to touch your calendar. You can either ask for their phone number or their email address, whichever you prefer, and then add a couple of new questions if you need to do so. For example, you can add a new question, select what field type it is, and then put in the question in the box. For example, what is your current monthly revenue? And you can set it to be required or not. Once you're satisfied, you can click on add question. If you're satisfied with how everything looks, scroll down and click on save and continue. And that's it. You already have an event set up. Go back and you'll see that being highlighted in your scheduled events, and it is ready to accept some prospects. Step 4. Managing incoming leads and automated lead statuses. I want you to navigate to the sidebar again, click on expand, look for global data. This is your real-time pipeline list. Look closely at how iClosed captures leads. Even if a prospect starts filling out your form and abandons it halfway through, iClosed immediately logs them as a potential lead, as you can see here. If they pass your form questions, they instantly become marked as qualified. If they don't hit your revenue metrics, iClosed labels them as disqualified and blocks them from taking your booking slots. The system organizes the pipeline data completely by itself. By the way, the link to iClosed is in the description down below if you want to get your own automated funnel running in real time. Okay, let's keep going. Step 5 is where things get exciting. Booking and managing your sales calls inside iClosed. Go to your integration section. It's at the bottom left of the screen. Look for integrations. And you want to make sure that your Google Calendar is connected properly. We already did this while setting up our account, but by any case that it's not, you'll have to set this up in this specific web page. So once a qualified lead finishes booking, the appointment lands on your iClosed dashboard with all their financial qualification data completely attached. Your closers know exactly who they're talking to before they even pick up the phone. Step 6. Tracking your live deals like a pro. Open up your past calls or schedule clue and click on any contact. You'll be able to find this in the AI scheduler again. Click on past, and this is where you'll be usually seeing your past call records. It contains your full contact card details, and this is also where you can add deep call notes right here during the conversation, so your team never forgets what was discussed in the previous call. If you're using an external CRM like Go High Level, HubSpot, or Close CRM, look under your integrations tab. This is where you connect them so that your iClosed actions instantly update your external sales pipelines in real time without typing a thing. This is where you connect them so that your iClosed actions instantly update your external sales pipelines in real time without typing a thing. And step 7, closing the deal and tracking revenue. When a closer finishes a call, they don't drag an icon across a board. Instead, they mark the strategy call outcome right inside iClosed. Mark it as 1, no sale or follow-up needed. Once they have marked that, your main analytics dashboard, which is found here at the bottom of AI Scheduler, every closed deal is tracked dynamically, so you can see your team's closing rates, individual closer conversion stats, and real revenue generation, all in one centralized place. And that's it. Your complete iClosed beginner setup done in one video. Remember, launch over perfecting what your current dashboard is. Don't wait until everything is perfect to start closing. Stop losing 70% of your leads to booking form drop-offs. Here's your next step. Start closing deals with iClosed using the link below. Get your account set up today. Stop wasting time on unqualified booking calls, and put everything you just learned into motion. If you have any questions, you can drop a comment below. I answer every single question, and I'll see you in the next one.